Porque tú eres muy linda.
I'm fucking this moment.
What? No.
Damn.
No.
Yeah.
Eres muy linda.
No.
Y la cámara es mejor cuando es esto. When it's like this, it's better. Just ¿Qué está?
¿Qué?
Good morning, world. It's your boy FRE H Fresh, and I'd like to welcome you to my first and most likely only mixtape. Dare to be different. What you're gonna get out of this mixtape is hope. The chance to see that there's another way to live, another way to make it to the top. The Flyboy Way. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way. We are back in Miami, and when I say we, guess who's back from Colombia?
You know who it is. It's your boy DJ Chizel.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. And we are just going on a regular bar night. You see, we just got the jeans on, the kicks and shirts, and I mean, we just trying to vibe out tonight. No big things. It's only a Friday night. Got here kind of late because my flight got delayed for an hour, but we're gonna head down to the downtown. Is it the downtown Brickell area?
Yeah.
So we're in the downtown Brickell area for the bars. Now, if you don't want to get dressed up and you don't want to pay no excruciating prices on South Beach, you hear the girls getting crazy. Hold up. Then you might want to come to. Hold on 1 second. You might want to come to a place. Oh, no. You might want to come to a place like this where you can catch a vibe. So we out. So. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way. That's THEFLYBOYWAY. Don't ask why, check out the channel. And we are here in South Beach, Miami. Yes. And we're getting ready to go get my tire put on because every time I come back from New Jersey to Miami, my tire is flat. I had it that way since I got down here. I fixed one, and now I just brought a whole new low-profile tire for the other. So we're gonna go to this spot on Alton Road. Hopefully, I can show you guys what it looks like and all that stuff. Because hey, this gotta get done, man. I'm tired of coming back and having to drive to the gas station and then fill my tire up with air. But also today we're hopefully gonna meet this girl from Colombia that I met in Barranquilla. Shout out to Diva. I'm gonna link up with DJ Chizel. We might go to breakfast with the girls that we met last night at the club, and I might have another friend hitting me up who I met last night too. Yo, last night was awesome, man. Shout out to Nye, man. Yo, I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. She's not here, but if you ever in town, BlackBird in Brickell is a place you need to go if you want the hip hop vibe and you're in Brickell. So I'm gonna put her stuff here. You can contact her. She can get you in. She can get you a table. She can get you a bottle. It's very, very inexpensive and it's worth it. So let's go. What's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way, all platforms. And yo, I love walking in Miami, man, because you run into some of the most amazing and attractive and unique and just I'm gonna talk to her first, and I'll let you see her whole outfit. And just it's straight view vibes. But her name is
Alicia.
And Alicia, where you from?
I'm from STL, Missouri.
Okay. This is your first time in MIA?
First time in the MA.
Okay. What's the one thing you really want to get into?
I'm trying to get on that beach.
Yeah?
I want to hear some waves crashing, but just meet new people and network and have a good time. Enjoying life.
I see that you
left stroke, right stroke, dive in that deep end. Hold your nose, drop it low and slide in the deep end.
You was here with the squad though. They came 6 deep. I mean, they all the way over there. We not going to show them right now, but if they want later we link up. But and you're here until?
I'm here until Monday.
We're here until Monday. Like I said, I'm coming
out.
Ooh, yes. What I'm gonna do for you guys, because I know you guys, you definitely gonna want it. I'm gonna put her Instagram right next to her, so you guys make sure y'all like, comment on all her photos, just spam her with likes and just add up. All right. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see this full, amazing beauty, the correct way with the 4K camera. So let's go.
I'm not playing if I like you, be there everywhere I go. Ride me like a motorcycle, I'll be sure to let you know. I'm not wanna use my feelings, and I wanna let them show. Got your legs up to the ceiling, your head down on the floor. Yeah, baby.
What's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way, all platforms. We are here eating breakfast, para decirlo, at the Sexy Cow. This is a little spot on Lincoln Road. It's me and the homie DJ Chizel. He's like burning hot. It's like straight under the fan and stuff. Chizel, you alright, man? Well, now we're just gonna order now. Let me order and then I'll come back to you guys and I'll show you guys the food. All right, let's go. Okay, it's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way. We are here on Lincoln Drive, and I'm gonna introduce you to the bridal party. They are so energetic and so great, and they got the mimosas on deck. So let me flip the camera so you guys get the amazing view, all right? And get the Instagrams and names. If you have any businesses, that also.
I'm Haley, and I'm from Delaware. Deirdre, and I'm also from Virginia. I'm the bride, Hannah, and I'm getting married in Texas next month. I'm Jen, and I'm from Baltimore. I'm Nicole, I'm from South Carolina. And I'm Bethany, and I'm also from Virginia.
Okay. You all here to celebrate the bride's soon-to-be marriage? It's going to be amazing in Texas. The Texas wedding is usually big, so I know it's usually very big. So the party in Miami, for the start, is pretty big. But it's nice to meet you. I'm going to tag one of your Instagrams, and you guys cheers up. Toast to the bride. Bottoms down, bottoms up. Perdón, ¿puedo yo entrar para record?
Sí, claro. Y a mí también, mire qué lindo.
Un momento, yo voy. Un momento. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way. That's THEFLYBOYWAY. Don't ask why to check out the channel. We have an active day today. When I say we, you already know DJ Chizel. And I want to introduce you to ella nome is Diva. Her legal name is Diva. And she is from... Hola. Dice hola.
I'm from Colombia,
She's from Colombia. ¿Qué parte? ¿Qué ciudad en Colombia?
Bogota.
Ella dice Bogota. Now, I met her. For those that don't know, I didn't get a chance to record when we were in Barranquilla, but I met her and her cousin, y ella prima, in Barranquilla, Colombia during 2020 Carnival. And I just never thought that we was going to get a chance to hang out again and see each other, but it just so happens that she's in Miami. In Miami. You see how fate has it? You see how fate has it? Like, it's like meant to be that I was going to see her again because of the fact that I brought a crib in Miami. I live in New Jersey. I just brought a crib in Miami, and she just so happened to come. ¿Qué es la reason para visitar Miami?
Vacations, visit friends.
See, so it's like it just worked out that way. So now we're getting to see this beautiful view and hop in this beautiful pool. And even though it is hot, muy caliente aquí, we're gonna enjoy ourselves. I mean, it's probably too hot to get in the jacuzzi, but you know, and I'm leaving early tomorrow, but we're gonna make the most out of it. And we're going to this YouTube boxing match. What do you say boxing?
Boxeo.
Boxeo. Un boxeo, jugar. Pelea. But we're gonna enjoy the day. I hope you guys are tuned in. I'm gonna record through the whole day. I can't record that much here because of the fact that I want to conserve my battery a lot. All right, so that's it. Ready? All right, so we porque tú eres muy linda.
I'm fat in this moment.
What? No.
Damn, I'm fat.
No.
Yeah.
Eres muy linda.
No.
Y la cámara es mejor cuando es when it's like this, it's better. Just ¿Qué está?
¿Qué?
Oil? Oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or my color.
Yeah. Alright, so we are here. I mean, this condo view is so amazing. It just got even more amazing. You guys haven't seen this. It's, we didn't think about this first because she would have took her hat off first and with the hair down, but we don't want to mess the hair up for later because later we're going to a big event and we don't want to get all jammed up. You know, I got my hair done. And she got her hair done. So we don't want to mess it up for later. But right now we just chilling. We're going to vibe out for another 2-3 hours and we go upstairs and hang out and then maybe go get some food before we go to the event. So yeah, that's all you're going to see. About to put the camera up and then we're going to enjoy this beautiful view with this beautiful woman. Ciao.